It's a Disney film, so obviously you are here with your family to watch the film. How excited are you? Because you know, Corona की वजह से after a long time it's released. Suryavanshi हालांकि release हो गई, but this is especially for kids. So what do you want to say?
Yeah, मैं अपनी daughter Reha के साथ I was telling her this. In fact, we both were saying each other that after COVID, this is the first film we are watching, and because it's a Disney film, you know, Disney films are always very good content. The entire family can watch it. Because there are times when people say it's a family film, but then I don't think it's meant for all the family members.
Yeah.
So Disney films are those films which you can watch 10 times, and we are very excited. And thanks for having us here.
Yeah.
Totally excited. The kids are absolutely excited. So Reha is here with her best friend Arna, and you know, they are watching a film, as you rightly said, after COVID out, and totally looking forward to it.
Yeah. So if you would like to say, how excited are you to watch the
I
movie?
am really excited to watch this movie after COVID. It's the first movie I'm watching in a movie hall, and I'm super excited. I really look forward to Disney movies. I watch them thousands of times, and I've got my best friend here, Arna, with me to give me a bit of company while watching this movie. I really wanted her to come with me and watch this movie.
Yeah. So you're going to accompany her. How excited are you?
Yeah, I'm very excited because Disney movies are quite interesting, and there is like we wait to see what will come next, and I just love watching them.
Yeah. So what's making you most excited? Is it because you know the movie is from Disney, or is it going to the theaters after a long time?
Honestly, I'm very excited that we're back into the cinema hall, and we're going to experience the entire cinematic movie watching. And for me, it's a Disney film, so we all can enjoy it thoroughly. We know we can't go wrong. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि you walk into a cinema hall theater and then the movie is disappointing. So you waste your hours. And all Disney films are super hit. And I think every time I watch it now, since I'm a father, I look forward to acting in one of the Disney films as well. I'm sure Reha will love it if I'm one of the Disney superheroes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So since it's a 60th film from Disney, which is your favorite film from Disney?
I think one of my most
Aladdin, hands down Aladdin. We loved it. And
Descendants.
oh yes, Descendants.
Yes.
Descendants is my favorite. I have watched it thousands of times, all of the three movies.
she has watched it 1,000 times, and she's made me watch 1,000 times.
I have
And,
loved
yeah, we
watching
know all the songs, we know all the characters, and it's great. We have a great time.
Yeah. So lastly, work-wise, any upcoming project you would like to share with us?
Yes, I just shot a web series called Naam Gum Jayega, and there's another Sony project which I'm doing where I'm playing a king. So we are shooting from the 26th. So looking forward to that.
And will that be a series or?
The Sony project is a television show, and my web series Naam Gum Jayega will be streaming, I think, Jan or Feb 2022.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you
for
for
your
having
Thank
us.
you.
Thanks a lot.
क्या बोला? हाँ हाँ आप बोलते ये हैं. So it's been a long time when there's a theatrical release, and also you're here to watch the film, Disney film. How excited are you to watch this film?
Actually, I can't even tell how excited I am since this movie is like all about magic and all. And I'm really curious and excited to see what's in this movie.
Yeah. So, how much do you like watching films? And since it's Disney film, which is your favorite Disney movie?
Actually, I only watch only Disney movies that I love, like all the animated movies. And I also came here like couple weeks ago for one more movie, and I'm really excited for this movie.
Yeah. So besides that, as you said, this movie is all about magic. How much do you believe in magic?
Actually, I don't believe that much, but I love watching movies that are of magic, like Frozen 2 and all. And yes, I love magic actually.
Work-wise, any upcoming project from your side?
थोड़ा वो लाइट आ रहा है ना नीचे से फेस हाँ थोड़ा आ गया बस
अभी तो कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, बट जैसे होगा सबको पता चल जाएगा.
But is there any talks going on for the any
अभी तो कुछ पता नहीं, बट फाइनली अभी मेरे एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, सो आई एम स्टडीइंग एंड फोकसिंग ऑन एग्जाम्स.
ओके. आज के कुछ स्पेशल रहा इस लुक को लेकर, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी जो लाइक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं आज बहुत जल्दी से रेडी हुई हूँ. लाइक मैं डांस क्लास में गई थी और सीधा वहीं से निकली, चेंज करके फटाफट से यहाँ के हेयर किया एंड ऑल, एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस मूवी. और मुझे लेट नहीं होना था, तो मैं फटाफट से निकल गई.
सो लुक लाइक
आ गया
So also you're here with your family. How excited is your family besides you?
आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. और मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ मेरी मम्मा मेरे भैया सब मेरे साथ ही आते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ मूवी एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट मैजिक, तो उनको भी साथ में लाना ज़रूरी था.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
तो थर्ड जाओ आकृति कैमरा लो
मम्मा स्टार्ट हो गया. चलो ऊपर वाली सीट से.
Because even I'm not aware of
exactly,
I'm so clueless. Okay.
कैमरा लो दिखाना पड़ता है
Yes. So it's a Disney film, and obviously a long time after a long time, theaters में film release हो रही है. So how excited are you to watch the film today? And that too with your family.
Yeah, so obviously since childhood till now, obviously a Disney film can never go wrong.
Right.
It's always excitement. Disney suna and it's like you are back to your childhood.
Yeah.
So I never miss a Disney film. It's not just because I've come here today इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. I actually never miss. So I think when I got a call, I was the first one to I'll be there. You know. And Malia, you want to say something?
Like, I just saw the trailer, it was really magical and it actually intrigued me a lot, and like a Disney film can never go wrong, so I really wanted to watch it.
Yeah.
And the thing with Disney is that for the first time they're exploring a different culture. Like, it's great to see that they're going into a country like Colombia. Usually it's set in US, so it's giving the kids of today access to a more wide array of countries. So it's great to see that.
Right.
And how Disney is growing. Yeah.
Yeah. So besides that, which is your favorite Disney movie? Because you know, as you said that हमारी childhood से Disney movies देखते आए हैं. Which is your
No,
favorite
all.
Disney
I mean, I can't remember specific.
Moana.
It's Moana. Okay.
Mickey Mouse has to be
Mickey
like
Mouse.
it
They're
doesn't-
classic.
It's a
They're
classic.
classic. Yeah, they are classic films. So.
Okay, so
Yeah.
इसके अलावा work-wise any upcoming project from your
I have taken I know it's been a little long break, but that is out of choice because of the kids. Currently I'm into baking right now. But yes, another year because my son is in 12th. So just looking into that. Once he's done with his 12th, she is also now going in 8th. So once I'm settled with them, and surely coming back very soon.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Well,
Thank you.
Thank you.